Hello, this is a quick video that's going to orient you to the calendar feature in ServiceSidekick. So first what I did is I clicked on the calendar tab up here on the top, and it's taken me to the screen which shows me all of the weekly events and jobs for the company. You can see the date range here on the left, and you can change the date range. You can go back a week or forward a week, whatever you want. You can also use this little calendar icon here to change what week you're viewing. And over here is the hours that are being displayed on the calendar. So if you have different working hours for your company, you can just change that here, and now you see 5 a.m. Alright, the calendar is arranged so that every column is a day and every row is an hour. And the jobs and tasks are laid out appropriately to how long they'll take and when they're scheduled. So you can see here, this is a 1-hour job and it's scheduled for 7 a.m. on December 25th. This one here is a 3-hour task that is assigned at 11 a.m. on the 23rd. And this is a 5-hour job, etc. Alright, now I also have set up in my ServiceSidekick, and it can be different for yours, but all my jobs are different colors and I left the tasks white. That way when I look at the calendar, I know that this red here is a particular type of job, this green's a different type of job, this yellow is a different type of job, and these white things here are tasks. Alright, so going back up to the top of the screen, if you want to see the tasks or jobs assigned to a specific employee, you can just choose the employee out of this drop down box here, or if you want to see them all again, you just blank it out. Alright, now sometimes you get a lot of tasks and you just want to see the tasks, you don't want to see the jobs, so we provided this checkbox here where you can turn on or off the hiding of the tasks. You can also view the calendar by day or month, and you can go back to week if you want to by using these here. Alright, one last thing on this screen is if you click in one of these empty boxes on the calendar, it will give you a menu here to create a task or job. So we're just going to create a job. And as you see, it fills in based on where I selected on the calendar. It fills in the date and time. So this is going to be a 3-hour job, and it never repeats. It's going to be signed to Bill Johnson. I'm just quickly going through this. So there's my completed job. If I go back to the calendar, there you go. You see the new 3-hour job that I just created. And it's shown in yellow because that's a job type I selected, etc. Alright, so that's the main thing on this part of the calendar. There's one other way to view the calendar, which is this dispatch screen. And it's a different look at the calendar. This dispatch screen is shown for a day, and you can choose the day here, and you can also choose hours here, and you can select if you want detailed or normal. Detailed just shows more data about the jobs or tasks rather than just a brief summary like this here. Alright, so now this screen, rather than showing it how the other calendars show it, like the day, week, or month view, this shows it hourly. Is every column is an hour, and every row is a different employee. So this way you can assign, or you can view it so you can actually properly, route new jobs or new tasks, etc. So the only other feature on this screen that isn't on the other screen is if you want to reschedule something, you just click and you drag, and it reschedules it for you. So that makes it really easy if you're the manager, or if you're the employee, you can just quickly go and move it over because something fell off or something else came on, so you can just do that. Alright, that's the main features of the calendar in ServiceSidekick. Thank you.